Microgreens are the microherbs or tiny edible baby plants. They are the first true leaves from a seedling and are packed with nutrients more than their mature greens. We can grow salad greens, vegetables, and herbs as microgreens. Microgreens can be grown with or without soil. I am sharing this video on how to grow flaxseed, mustard and chia seed microgreens at home without soil and on a kitchen paper towel or a tissue paper. These young greens are 1 to 3 inches in height, super easy to grow. Say it is outdoor, windowsill or balconies where essential sunlight is present. I have taken 1 tablespoon each of chia, mustard and flax seeds and using disposable plastic box like this with a lid. Make 4 to 5 holes in the lid. We need 3 boxes like this. Fold a kitchen towel or a tissue from the tissue roll to the size of the box. It's about 4 layers. Spray water or you could even sprinkle some water also. Ensure the tissue is properly wet and nicely seated. Now spread the seeds evenly. Ensure to use good quality seeds and clean water for watering. Spread chia seeds, mustard seeds and flax seeds in separate boxes. Now water the seeds either by spraying or sprinkling water with fingers. Cover the lid and place this in a dark, warm place. I am placing it in a kitchen corner where there is less light. Water the seeds regularly. Spray water twice a day, preferably morning and evening. Cover and keep them back in the same place. Day 3 you can see the seeds are sprouting yellow to green in color. Now the germination starts. Now I am shifting the trays to the balcony so that we expose them to sunlight for photosynthesis. Here I am placing them under diffuse sunlight. From now I leave it outside until the microgreens are fully grown. Spraying water twice is very important. Periodically check if there is excess water and if so, pour out like this. Don't cover the lid from now on. We can grow many varieties of plants like this. Radish, carrot, cauliflower, cabbage, beetroot, basil, Bengal gram, green gram are to name few that can be grown as microgreens. By 6th day they have grown so beautifully and dense. Microgreens are flavorful, nutrient rich, delicate and tender. Harvest them when they are young, between 7 to 14 days. Include microgreens into salads, sandwiches, smoothies, wraps, omelets, curries, and even may be eaten raw.